Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to file an extension on TurboTax. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the TurboTax official website and import. After you've signed in, you'll land on the TurboTax homepage. Here, locate and click on the section labeled 2024 Taxes. This area of your account is where you'll find all the options and tools necessary for managing your filings for the current tax year. Once you're in the 2024 Taxes section, navigate toward a tab or link that says Tax Tools. You might find it under a drop-down menu or in a sidebar. Click on Tax Tools to proceed to the next step. As you enter the Tax Tools section, look for and click on Tools. Next, within the Tools menu, in the Tools Center, look for a link or option explicitly labeled File an Extension. Clicking on this will initiate the extension filing process. At this stage, TurboTax may provide you with additional instructions or information tailored to your specific filing needs. After clicking on File an Extension, the platform will guide you step by step through the process. Be sure to watch for prompts or suggestions, as these are designed to make the process smoother. And that's it. So that is how you can file an extension on TurboTax. So that's all for this video. Thanks.